Hi guys, I wanted to show you another product from 31 today. It is the organizing shoulder bag from 31, and this is the dot trio pattern, which is actually one of my favorite patterns for fall winter 2018 because it's pretty neutral and goes with a lot of things. So I have 4 kids, but I'm starting to outgrow the diaper bag. My youngest is trying to be potty trained as we speak. So when we go out, I don't carry a lot of things, but I need to have space for a couple things, an EpiPen, some pull-ups, things like that. So I can't go totally minimal. So this was my solution, because I also want to be hands-free when you have a lot of kids. And this has so many pockets, so this has been really helpful for me. It has this front zipper pocket. It has this nice, I use this for my phone because I like to have quick, easy access with the phone. It's got a back pocket even for something else. Inside, I'm able to fit some wipes, a diaper, my wallet, my All About the Benjamins wallet actually fits in here. It's got zipper side. It's hard to see, you guys, sorry, because of the darker lighting. But you can see it's got a zipper pocket and it's got 2 inside flap pockets. But it also can adjust to short people versus tall people. I'm 5'8", so I'm tall. Oh yes, zipper shut. So this is it on me at 5'8", so you can see it's got a long strap that can be adjustable for people who are taller, for people who are shorter. But I really like this for our current needs and situation right now where we are in life with my children. So that is the organizing shoulder bag from 31.